really called social house.
Oh, I see it pop up. I take it out.
You took it out, bring it out.
Let me bring it up. This email is to the artists. We at Social House would love for you guys to join our team. If you would like the opportunity, please email us back as soon as possible. See attachment below.
Click on the link.
Oh, the place is nice.
This place is huge.
This can't be real. This is in Jamaica?
Yeah, there are places like these in Jamaica.
No man, it's so real.
It is real.
Remember the influencers of Social House.
Click on the videos. I've seen some of them on YouTube, especially her, Sassy Stacy.
Rip Rats. Oh, watch it. Meet the CEO.
Black screen?
But he was same handsome, I'm not see nobody.
Exactly.
Get this story, this fake.
It is real. And we're going.
I want to find some get rich.
We're going.
Go over, Rush.
No. You people let me go over 5-year-old.
Yes, so we're going to be packing. Can you believe that they really call us? It's really real. Yeah,
Just
this is
get
so
a
cool.
job or shut your mouth.
Yeah, you know I have to pack a lot of stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Can you believe that they really answered the email? Yeah, they're gonna make us famous. We are gonna be 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 famous. Your sister's gonna be famous. Bye, Rush. I'll take you so long. Oh my god, I was packing.
Roxie, look here. There, don't come out there. You tell them a fix up Ocean Boulevard. Look at the place. Yeah, it look pretty, man. Oh, and maybe they might carry out a restaurant there will get famous. Yeah, a restaurant right here, so it look nice. It look real nice. And look the ocean view. Oh, I get nice sea view. Oh, but this only somewhere it's near the sea. Must have said they might carry. Wow, this is nice. Very, very nice. But why am I turning off? Sir? Why you turn off, sir? What are they so gonna leave there? So gonna leave, sir? Pop down there, but with it? What are they saying? That place look pop down bad. I carry, I say my carry. I like this place. Sir, where you carry, sir? No, sir. He must have go drive go through. I drive him go through right here, sir. Yeah, must pass him past your neighborhood there. But he might drive slower, sir.